Today I'm going to show you how to add captions to TikTok videos. Alright, so I would like to create a video and then just add some captions to my video. So if you have a look through these videos like this one over here, this person is talking, but we can't actually hear what they're saying because the volume is down, but we also don't know what they're saying because there's no captions. Alright, you'll see on a bunch of different videos, there will be different things. Like here are captions. So what would we do? Is we go hit the plus icon to create our video. You can either create or upload. I'm going to go and create a video. So let's go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, ladies and gentlemen, let's go. Okay, so we've got our little video now. You click on the check icon. On the right hand side, you'll see a bunch of different things. Okay, right at the bottom, you'll see captions. Tap on captions. Here it'll detect the language. It's uploading and processing your audio. Of course, the longer your video is, naturally the longer this process will take. You can see now that it says 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, ladies and gentlemen, let's go. This is what it's come up with. Now you can obviously change what it said over here because this is in a different format altogether. So let's go ahead and just make sure it's in the right format. And at the bottom, we can change the language, we can change the style. So currently this is how it is currently displayed. We can obviously change what we feel is best. Go ahead, click on the text, the check icon. Here you can change the format. Okay, you can also show punctuation, and then you can also remove filler words. Now, once you click on the check mark, you will see that this is what it looks like. Let's play our video. There we go. We've got captions, ladies and gentlemen. Once we're done, we're going to hit the red arrow on the top right-hand side, and we can then go through the process of preparing our video to make public.